Hi parents, again, we are going to continue with our rounding series on round to the nearest thousands with the number line. And again, it's the same concept, and I'm going to start off with a thousands number, rounding down. I'm just going to tell you. Well, again, the first guiding question is to ask how many thousands are there in this number. So there are four 1,000. Let's pretend that I have $4,379 in the bank. I need them all in $1,000 bill, which there aren't any, I know that, but we always use that as an example. So there are four 1,000. So if the child hears four 1,000, the first number on the number line is going to be 4,000, and then 1,000 more because we rounded to the nearest thousand, so we add 1,000 more to make the other line, the other number on the end of the number line. Now we always coach the child to look at the hundreds place. If we round it to the nearest thousands place, we're going to look at the hundreds place. This is 4,379. So on the number line, this is 4,100, 4,200, 4,300. 4,379 would be like right around here. So it's still close to 4,000. Again, we can go back to apply the rules, the rounding rules, where 3 is rounding down, but in this case, we have to look at the hundreds place to determine that. So now let's give another example of rounding up. So again, the number is 6,845. Again, the guiding question is how many thousands are in that number. So go to that place, just underline that thousands place, which is 6,000. So 6,000, 1,000 is one end of the number line. 1,000 more because we're rounding to the nearest thousands. So our two ends of the number line is going to be 6,000, 7,000. And now we're going to use our rounding rule again. But the place that we're going to look at is the hundreds place, which is 8 in the hundreds place. If we count on the number line, we have to count by hundreds. 6,100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6,845 would be right around here. So it's close to 7,000. So we're going to round up. And yep, so these are the two examples that I'm going to give for that. But if you want to do something more challenging, I'm going to give you a 5-digit number, 22,481. Again, how many thousands? Count your place to thousands, but we need to underline all the higher place value that are higher than the thousands place. So there's 22,000. So coach the children. What's underlined here has to be 22. Thousands, if you hear thousands, you usually add 3 zeros. And then 1,000 more, 23,000. Then now, the next thing is we're going to look at the hundreds place, still hundreds place. If we round it to the nearest thousands, we always look at the hundreds place, 400. So 100, 200, 3, 22,400 is right around here, and 81 will be right here, still closer to the 22,000, which we need to round down. So again, if you've been following the proper steps, rounding should be easier, hopefully by now. And you can watch the next video without rounding, without the number line assistance with the rounding. Thank you.